What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a very exciting video for you all today. We are going to be doing a full walk around and review and test drive of the all new full-sized Ford Bronco. Before we do get started, I do just want to give a quick thank you to Ted Britt Ford Lincoln in Chantilly, Virginia for letting me get my hands on the Bronco. If you guys have any questions, you want to inquire about purchasing one, make sure to contact them. I'm going to put all of their information in the description below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and step outside. Let's do a little walk around and I'll show you guys around the car. All right, you guys, so today we have here the all new full-sized Ford Bronco. This one specifically is going to be the high bend trim level. So starting off with the front end of the car, this one does come with the modular front bumper. I do have the headlights on here so you all can see that the low beam headlight for the car is LED. You'll see you get the Bronco across the grille here. You have like a nice little matte gray with a little bit of flake of a finish for the grille. Looks really nice on the black paint. And this one does come with some aftermarket, some off-road tires, which I think is a very nice touch. It looks really good. It just, the whole stance of the car just looks a lot more aggressive with these more aggressive off-roading tires. Does come equipped with some 17-inch wheels. Coming around to the side of the car, as you can see, we did go ahead and take the doors off. And this car is a 7-speed manual transmission. You have your regular first through 6, and then you have what they call a crawl gear, which is a very low gear intended for off-road use, and then you have your reverse. Driving this car over here with the doors off and the manual transmission, it was so much fun. Like, I literally, makes me want to just take it for the day, just drive it, cruise around all by myself. It was such a fun experience. I literally only drove it for 5 minutes and I was having a blast. But anyways, coming around, you'll see we got the full 4-door Bronco, and we did take the top off. And funny enough, everything fits in the trunk. So right here, what you're seeing in the trunk, you've got the top all the way down, and then in the trunk is all packed up are the doors for the Bronco as well. So I think that's super convenient if you're ever at the beach or you're traveling anywhere, you don't have anywhere to put the doors. When you take them off, you can just stuff them all in the trunk and you're good to go. This thing looks really good. I know the Bronco Sport has been out on the road for a couple of months now, and that's the smaller version. Finally, the big boy is out on the road and available for purchase. People are starting to get their orders finally, and I can see why this car has so much hype behind it. I mean, it just looks really good. It drives really nice. It's just all around a very fun time. I love the front end of the car. Now let's go ahead and go inside. First, I'll go ahead and show you the back seat. This one does come with cloth. As you can see, lots of legroom in the back seat. For any adult, you'll see right here, look at all that space. Really good space in the back. As far as behind the center console, you'll see right here, you have your window controls, and then right here you also have a power outlet as well, which does have USB-C and USB Type A, which is very nice. That's about it for the back seat. Let's go ahead and hop in the front. Got a little handle here with the Bronco. Right here you have your controls for the headlights. You also have your electric handbrake, and then right here you have the lever to go ahead and pop open the hood. This one does not have power seats, but that is an option with the higher trim levels. Now that we're behind the wheel of the Ford Bronco, you've got a really nice digital display right here for your speedometer and for your information screen. Then here is your entertainment screen that is equipped with Ford's new Sync 4, which is actually very nice. I always love Ford's infotainment system. The screen is always so responsive, sensitive to the touch. I mean, you wouldn't know the difference between playing around on this and playing around on your new iPhone or Samsung Galaxy or any of the latest phones out there. Then below you do have your volume controls. You also do have auto start stop. You also have your climate controls. Right here is where you can go ahead and control the 4-wheel drive, and you also have a couple of different drive modes that I will go ahead and show you all in just a few minutes here. But here is going to be the shifter for the 7-speed transmission. This feels amazing, feels really good. It's really nice, buttery and smooth. The clutch is actually very nice feeling as well. If you did want to go ahead and opt in for the stick shift Bronco, I definitely think that it's very daily driver friendly, so you wouldn't have any problem if you have traffic in your area or anything like that. The car drives very nice and easy. You've got a nice little cubby here for your phone. The phone fits perfectly. This is the iPhone 12 Max. You also have your 2 cup holders. You have your window controls and your mirror controls, and then another little cubby here that's very deep as well. You've got the Bronco across right here, nice little storage compartment, and then you do have your auxiliary switches right here if you do decide to add any lights or anything like that aftermarket after you do go ahead and purchase one. All right, so now let's go ahead and start the car up. Let's take it for a drive. All right, we're behind the wheel of the Ford Bronco. We've got the GoPro head mount on. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test drive. So first thing you're going to notice is the clutch when you put it in, and it's very nice. It's pretty light. So as far as if you want to get a stick shift for daily driving, I don't think it'll be a problem at all. This shifter feels so nice and smooth. I absolutely love it. Ford did a great job with the shifter on this car. Let's go ahead and take it on this little back road and go for a little drive. I really love the way the car sounds as well. It honestly sounds kind of like a 4-cylinder turbo diesel. You hear a little bit of the turbo when you rev. It's not very loud though. Everything is very daily driver friendly, which I absolutely love. Everything about this car is super nice and smooth. Even with these off-road tires, I mean, the car isn't, you know, it still feels really smooth on the road. It soaks up bumps really well. Give it some gas here. It's got some get up also. Testing out the handling here on this little S curve, second gear. Not much body roll, which cars of this shape are kind of known for. Take this little turn here. Yeah, the car feels really nice on this back road. And just having the doors off on this car while the weather is nice, having the top off, just all of it all together is just so much fun. I love it. This is my first time ever driving a car with the doors off and the top off, and I'm telling you, it's something that everybody should experience. It's so much fun. I love the height that you feel in this car as well. You kind of feel a little bit higher. It feels safer. Let's go down this way. Yeah, this car is very fun. I am loving it. As far as for the power, for the quickness, it's pretty good also. I mean, just everything is, Ford did a really good job all around with this car. Just everything seems perfect for what this car is, for what it's meant to be. The steering feels very nice and light also. I'm really amazed at how smooth the car still is, even after these aggressive off-road tires were installed on it. And this is one of the lower trim level Broncos, and just everything that you get. This one MSRP is around $39,000. $39,000 and you're getting all of this. I mean, that's a great bang for your buck. Little downshift. Rev match very easily. Right there, you get on a little bit, you hear a little bit of that turbo. The power out of this 2.3 liter EcoBoost is very nice. Going over some bumps right now, and it's like they're not even there. It just goes over it so smooth. Yeah, you can see right there, this car has some get up. All right, everybody, that is going to wrap up today's review. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, if you all have any questions or you want to inquire about one, make sure to check out Ted Britt Ford Lincoln here in Chantilly. I'm going to put all of their information in the description below. Overall though, after driving this car, my first impressions, I really like it. I think it was absolutely so much fun to drive. Let me know what you all think of the new Ford Bronco. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you think Ford should have done anything different. Overall, I'm very happy with it. I think the car drives amazing. I think it looks great. But either way, make sure to leave a big old thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and support the channel. It really helps me out. And that's going to be it. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.